eDynamic Learning is the largest publisher of CTE and elective courses for middle and high school students in North America. And as a teacher-founded company, we recognize the importance of making sure those courses have strong instructional design rooted in research, best practices, and engagement for students. The goal of this overview video is to give you a flyover of our course instructional framework. Our courses provide anytime, anyplace access due to being responsively designed to run on any device. Additionally, courses meet WCAG 2.0 AA standards, enabling learners of all styles to participate equally, including deaf and hard of hearing and the blind and visually impaired. And pedagogical features reflect the needs of our Generation Z students, keeping them engaged through relevant learning opportunities and connections they need. Courses are developed in-house by teachers and subject matter experts, offering one consistent, user-friendly, and modern design and layout. In the Getting Started section of every course, backwards design methodology is employed, giving students upfront course syllabus, required materials, course and unit summaries and objectives, front-loading the course vocabulary, and more, allowing our students to know what they're going to learn and when, how, and why, as well as the expectations for success. And every unit follows the same structure by stating the objectives up front, then transitioning into lessons, critical thinking questions, unit labs, activity, flashcards, a unit quiz, discussion questions, and a unit podcast. Engaging curriculum narratives leverage behavioral, cognitive, and constructivist learning theories and instructional best practices. Aligning with the behaviorist theory instructional strategies of how new behaviors are learned through associations with external stimuli, eDynamic learning curriculum incorporates multimodal learning, embedded videos, and interactive learning elements that engage students and promote student agency. Strategies that align with the cognitive learning theory include the importance of creating a well-balanced lesson with both text and visuals for students to learn through internal processing of information. Chunking content decreases cognitive load, and images facilitate information processing. The embedded, purposefully placed test your knowledge formative quizzes practice reinforcement and give students feedback and self-evaluation opportunities. Constructivist learning theory strategies of constructing knowledge through individual experience, something our Gen Z students crave, are employed in a variety of ways. Critical thinking questions really encourage our students to demonstrate acquisition and transfer of knowledge. Unit labs and activities provide opportunities for hands-on learning and knowledge application in a learning environment that our Gen Z students need to meet their learning style. And because eDynamic Learning really is passionate about helping students find a career that they're both excited about and that fits them, our CTE and career courses are designed to help students explore different career fields and options, along with becoming highly familiar with the soft skills they'll need for the job and that recruiters are looking for. These soft skills are embedded in lessons, labs, and activities. Students demonstrate higher order thinking skills by applying cumulative knowledge to solve real-world problems and complete tasks. Students may be asked to deliver or create a product, solve problems, defend, evaluate, and compare and contrast solutions and responses, create a multimedia presentation, a video, essay, app, and more. Discussion board questions tap into the need of our Gen Z students to interact with threaded comments, much like they see in their social world, but are used in a way to encourage high levels of thinking and application to make connections to their lives and experiences. Fun, interactive flashcards reinforce terminology and encourages knowledge transfer and retention prior to assessments. And our most popular feature is our podcasts. Again, modern learning is employed to increase student engagement and support guided learning styles in our auditory learners. Students can download the MP3 file to listen on their MP3 player when they're out and about, or use the pop-up player to help them read aloud as they move through the lessons. Formative and summative assessments are threaded throughout at strategic points of the course, unit, and lessons. And teachers have the ability to customize and create additional low-stakes and high-stakes assessment opportunities. For additional information on teacher resources and course customization, please see our additional overview videos. Thank you for watching the brief overview of our course instructional framework. For more information regarding our courses, visit our website or contact us today.